Hello everybody, I'm Max. This is Maxwell Bates. We're going to be doing blueberry orange smoothie today, and I'll see you in the video. Okay, today for the blueberry orange smoothie, we are going to be using 200 grams of blueberries or 2 cups. These are frozen. Pour them in. Then we're going to be doing 3 bananas, which is 400 grams of frozen bananas. These are nice and ripe. They're also frozen, but we're going to be putting those in a little bit. And then we have orange peel, which is 15 grams. We're going to put that in right now. Okay, so now I'm going to put the lid on, and you can do it in one time, but I like doing it in 2 times because then it decreases the oxidation on the banana, so it makes it sweeter. Because we're not using any sugar. Okay. Make sure you use appropriate ear covers to protect your hearing. Okay, so we slowly ramped it down. Now, shake off the tamper. Now we're going to put our frozen bananas in. This is 400 grams worth of ripe frozen bananas. Now we're going to turn the blender back on. And then just slowly bring it up. Okay, now it's all done, and it has a nice thick consistency. Okay, now that it's all done, we're just going to pour it into our cup. You can do it without a spatula, but I find that it helps with thick mixtures, especially things that can stain, to allow it to more easily be controlled. Now, doesn't that look delicious? It's so creamy, tangy, and fresh, and packed full of antioxidants. Thanks for watching. I'm Maxwell, and this is Maxwell Bates. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. Click the little bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. And I'll see you in the next video.